Hi, my name is Ari, and I am one of the founders of Dise. Let me ask you a question. Are you still running your Web3 business the old way? So what I mean is, do you still have all of your client chats in Telegram, just pages upon pages upon pages of Telegram chats? And it's crazy hard to keep track of them, right? But then you still have your CRM to update. Yeah, log your activities and your deals there, right? But then maybe your company also uses a different tool to track tasks. But that's not all. Then you also have to, maybe put some information in a Notion. Isn't it painful and chaotic to manage a business like this? Let me tell you, there is actually a much better way to do things. Let me introduce you guys to Dise. So we have the Telegram window right here in the middle. Then on the right side, we have an internal chat, which is a space for you to discuss this deal with your team. I have my tasks right here. I can log all my activities from this screen without ever switching to a different window. I have Notion style labels as well as other data fields that I can add here. I have BD templates that can be inserted with one click, both my private templates as well as shared templates with the whole team. Again, I have my tasks right here and also reminders. Now let's head back for a second because that's not all. I can actually manage my whole business's pipeline right here in this one neat view. Let's say I want to find all the deals that I met at conferences that haven't been bumped in over a month. Boom, totally possible. On top of that, we also have really cool features like batch sending, conference mode, and some really cool AI enhanced features like automatic inbox management, AI summaries, and sequences, which we're going to be launching very soon. Oh, and did I mention, let me show you guys this, that you can do all of these things from our mini app, which lives right inside your mobile Telegram client. So you can do all of this without ever leaving your Telegram. Curious to know more? I bet you are. You can head over to trydise.com to know more about the product, or you can reach out to the team and schedule a personalized demo for you today.